Good morning, students. Today we will today we will do discussion of W is equal to Z plus 1 by Z. Okay, here Z is greater than 0. Here Z is not equal to 0. Okay, then consider W is equal to Z plus 1 by Z. Okay, in place of Z, substitute R into e to the power of I theta. Okay, means W is equal to, in place of Z, R into e to the power of I theta plus 1 over by, in place of Z, substitute here R into e to the power of I theta. Okay, then U is nothing but U plus IBE. Okay, W is nothing but U plus IBE. Then R into e to the power of I theta plus 1 by R. Then e to the power of I theta shifted to numerator, it will become e to the power of minus I theta. Okay, then U plus IBE or what is e to the power of I theta? E to the power of I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, plus 1 by R. E to the power of minus I theta is cos theta minus I sin theta. Okay, then next here U plus IBE. Okay, R cos theta plus IR sin theta plus 1 by R into cos theta, 1 by R into cos theta. Okay, 1 by R into minus I sin theta minus I by R into sin theta, I by R into sin theta. Okay, then here collect real part one side and imaginary part one side. Okay, observe here, this is a real part, this is also real part. Okay, this term is not contain I. Okay, not contain I, this is also not contain I. Okay, that's why we call it as a real part. Okay, then R cos theta plus 1 by R cos theta. Okay, next 1 IR sin theta minus I by R sin theta. Okay, IR sin theta minus I by R sin theta. Okay, take down your cos theta common here. R plus 1 by R cos theta plus, okay, I, take down sin theta is also common, 1 by 1 minus 1 by R sin theta, 1 minus 1 by R sin theta. Okay, here U plus IBE. Here U is equal to R plus 1 by R and V is equal to 1 minus 1 by R. V is equal to 1, V here R by R minus 1 by R. V is R minus 1 by, here U is equal to R plus 1 by R cos theta and V is equal to R minus 1 by R sin theta. Okay, call it as equation number 1. We have to eliminate the theta here. We have to eliminate the theta. Okay, let us put 1 in the form, okay, U R plus 1 by R shifted to denominator. Okay, U by 1 by R cos theta, then V R minus 1 by R sin theta. Okay, V by R minus 1 by R sin theta. Okay, then squaring and adding, squaring and adding, we obtain u square by r plus 1 by r whole square plus b square by r minus 1 by r whole square. Okay, is equal to squaring and also adding cos theta whole square plus sin theta whole square. Okay, means u square by r plus 1 by r whole square plus b square by r minus 1 by r whole square means cos square theta plus sin square theta. Then here u square by r plus 1 by r whole square plus b square by r minus 1 by r whole square. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 here. Okay. Then similarly next step, to eliminate the r, let us put 1 in the form. Okay, what is the equation 1 here? Equation 1 is here u is equal to r plus 1 by r cos theta and v is equal to r minus 1 by r sin theta. Okay, we have to eliminate the r here. What we have to do here, u by cos theta shifted to LHS side, u by cos theta is equal to r plus 1 by r and v by sin theta is equal to r minus 1 by r, minus 1 by r. Okay, then squaring and subtracting, we obtain u square by cos square theta minus v square by sin square theta is equal to r plus 1 by r whole square plus r minus 1 by r whole square. Okay, simplify here. R square plus 1 by r square plus 2 into r into 1 by r. Then this is a minus b whole square. A square minus a square plus 1 by r by r square minus 2 into r into 1 by r. R gets cancelled. R gets cancelled. Okay. Subtracting, no, we are doing a subtracting, minus. Okay. Then minus. Then here r square plus 1 by r square plus 2. Here minus r square. Minus into plus 1 by r square is minus 1 by r square. Minus into minus plus 2. Okay, here plus r square minus r square get cancelled. Plus 1 by r square minus 1 by r square get cancelled. Means u square by cos square theta minus b square by sin square theta is equal to 4. Then 4 is shifted to LHS side only. Means u square 4 cos square theta minus b square by 4 sin square theta is equal to 1. Okay, then u square by 2 cos theta whole square minus b square by 2 sin theta whole square is equal to 1. This is, you call it as, this is equation number 3. Okay. Okay, then since z is equal to r into e to the power of I theta, modulus of z is equal to r and amplitude of z is equal to theta. Amplitude of z is equal to theta. Okay, then okay, here mod z is what here? R is equal to square root of x square plus y square is equal to R. Then what will happen here? Mod of z is equal to R. This is implies mod of z is equal to R. This is implies mod z is nothing but square root of x square plus y square is equal to R. Then squaring on the both sides, x square plus y square is equal to R square. Okay, this is observe here. This is represent a cycle. This is represent circle. This is represent a circle with the center origin with center origin and radius r in the z plane, in the z plane. Okay, where r is a constant. Where r is a constant. Then next, take down amplitude of z. Take down amplitude of z. Amplitude of z is equal to theta. This is implies tan inverse of y by x is equal to theta. Means y by x is equal to tan theta. Okay, means here y this is y by x is equal to tan theta. This is represent a straight line in the z plane. In the z plane when theta is a constant. Understood what I told? If you take mod of z is equal to r. Mod of z means nothing but x square plus y square is equal to r. Squaring on the both sides, what will get here? X square plus y square is equal to r square. So this is represent a circle. This is represent a circle in z plane. Okay. Here this is representation circle in z plane. Okay, and the center is 0, 0. Okay, center is 0, 0. Then come to this point. Amplitude of z theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x is equal to theta. Y by x is equal to tan theta means here y is equal to x tan theta. Observe here. Y is equal to x tan theta. Okay, if theta is constant, okay, if theta is a constant, what will happen? Y is equal to, means tan theta is a constant only. Means tan theta is constant, what will happen? Tan theta is a constant. Then tan theta we are considering m. Okay, this is y is equal to mx. We know that this is straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c is straight line passing through the origin. Y is equal to mx plus c. Understood? If theta is a constant, y by x is equal to tan theta. Okay, if theta is a constant, what will happen? This is represent This is represent straight line in the Z plane. Okay, in the Z plane. Got it? Then observe here, case 1. In case 1, let R is equal to constant. R is equal to constant. Take down equation 2. Just now we found no equation 2. Equation 2 is what here? U square by R plus 1 by R square plus V square by R minus 1 by R whole square is equal to 1. Okay, let R is equal to constant. Take down equation number 2. R is constant. What will happen here? U square by A plus V square by B is B, A square, R plus 1 by R is A square plus B square, R minus 1 by R is B. Okay, this is B square is equal to 1. Observe here, A is equal to R plus 1 by R and B is equal to R minus 1 by R. B is equal to R minus 1 by R. This, observe here, this is represent a ellipse in the W plane. This is represent ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is general form of ellipse. Okay. This is a x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is general form of ellipse. Okay. This is u square by a square plus b square by b square is equal to 1. Okay, this is represent ellipse in the W plane. With the foci plus or minus square root of a square minus b square comma 0, plus or minus square root of a square minus b square comma 0. Okay, then plus or minus square root of capital A values here r plus 1 by r whole square minus r minus 1 by r whole square plus or minus r square plus 1 by r square plus 2r into 1 by r minus r square minus plus 1 by r square minus 2r into 1 by r. Then plus or minus square root of 2 get cancelled, r square plus 1 by r square minus r square plus 2 minus r square minus 1 by r square, 2 get cancelled, minus into minus plus 2. Okay, plus r square minus r square get cancelled, plus 1 by r square minus 1 by r square get cancelled. Then plus or minus 4 means this is plus or minus 2. This is plus or minus 2. Case 2, let theta is equal to constant. Let theta is equal to constant. Here observe here, plus or minus 2. Hence we conclude that the circle modulus of z is equal to r constant in the z plane maps onto an ellipse in the W plane, with foci plus or minus 2 comma 0. Okay, this plus, okay, if z is constant, okay, so z is r is, if the modulus of z is equal to r is constant, in z plane this is a circle. If r is a constant, in W plane it is a ellipse, with the foci plus or minus 2 comma 0. Okay, then case 2, let theta is a constant, okay, take down equation 3, u square by 2 cos theta o square minus v square by 2 sin theta o square is equal to 1. If theta is a constant, what will happen? U square by a square minus v square by v square is equal to 1. A is equal to 2 cos theta and b is equal to 2 sin theta. b is equal to 2 sin theta. U square by a square minus v square by b square is equal to 1. This is represent hyperbola. This is represent hyperbola in the W plane, with foci plus or minus square root of a square plus b square comma 0. So substitute the values here. Plus or minus square root of a is what here? 4 cos square theta. B is plus 2 means 4 sin square theta, means plus or minus 4 cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, means here plus or minus 2 cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, means plus or minus 2. Okay, means plus or minus 2 comma 0. The foci is plus or minus 2 comma 0. Okay, if theta is a constant, in z plane it is a straight line passing through the horizon. Okay, in W plane it is a hyperbola. With foci is plus or 2 comma 0, plus or minus 2 comma 0. Okay, then last point, we have to draw the diagram. Diagram also carries a mark. Okay, here observe here. Hence we conclude that straight line is passing through the horizon in the z plane, maps onto a hyperbola in the W plane. Okay, means if theta is equal to constant, okay, what will happen? We will get straight line in z plane. Okay, here if theta is constant, the straight line is passing through the origin. Okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis in z plane. In z plane, but in w plane it is a hyperbola. This is a x-axis, this is a y-axis. Okay, in theta in theta is a constant. In w plane it is a hyperbola. It is a hyperbola. It is a hyperbola. Okay. Then if r is a constant, okay, in z plane it is a circle. Okay, if r is a constant in z plane, if r is a constant in w plane, in z plane, it is a circle. It is a circle. R is, center is 0, 0. But in w plane, it is a ellipse. It is a ellipse. Okay, with foci is -2, 0, then plus 2, 0. In w plane, it is a ellipse. It is a ellipse. Okay, understood now concept? Okay, the discussion is finished.